Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, if you didn't already know, and you are now in the Princess lifestyle. So today I have another new product to present to you all. This is going to be a demo slash review of, can we get a drum roll please? I'm going to be reviewing the new Jackie Aina and Too Faced Cosmetics collaboration on their new foundation shades. Okay, so Too Faced reached out to Jackie Aina and actually asked her to help them expand their shade range. Now, I have never tried Too Faced. I've tried Too Faced products. I know I have a Too Faced blush that I love. I don't know where it is. Haven't seen it in like a year, so where is that blush? Anywho, I've never tried their foundations or their concealers because I've never seen a shade for me or any of my chocolate sisters, so I never really thought to give it a try. But when I heard that Jackie was going to be helping them to expand their shade range, give them some in-between shades with the shades that they already have, and just overall make the line more inclusive, I got really excited. So I've been waiting on this day. I've been waiting for the products to drop, and now that they have arrived, they actually came like 2 or 3 days ago. Snapchat already knows about it. If you're not following me on Snapchat, you might wanna. As soon as the line dropped, it sold out very quickly. I think they restocked, I'm not really sure. I just know that when I got mine, I was lucky, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from the line, and then we are going to get into this review immediately. So the box is cute. I don't know if it's picking up properly on camera, but it's a very soft pink. This is how it comes. I got 2 of the foundations and 1 concealer, and it also came with this hangover primer sample. The night before everything dropped, I watched Jackie's video of her debuting all of the shades just so that I can know which shade would work best for me, which I'm really grateful for, because when I went on the site the day that it dropped, I felt like the shades, the swatches that were on the site did not look like the swatches that Jackie did in her video. So thank you, Jackie, for doing the swatches on your chest, because it actually helped me to determine what my shade was, because I couldn't tell on the site at all. So the 2 shades that I ended up purchasing are Tiramisu, which I believe is my exact foundation shade. And I also got Sable because I wanted you guys to be able to see a swatch of one of the darkest shades that she has developed with Too Faced. Sable is about the 3rd darkest shade. So yeah, looking at the site again, I'm glad I went and watched Jackie's video before purchasing, because if I had just gone off of what the site said, I would have been very, 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 very confused. So here's a look at Tiramisu, and here's a look at Sable. The frosted packaging, I never really am a fan of frosted packaging because I feel like you can't really tell what shade the actual shade is until you pump it out because of the frosting. Overall, the packaging is beautiful. I love the heaviness of it. You guys know I'm a stickler. I'm a bit of a stickler for packaging, so Too Faced, you're doing it with the packaging. I like it. Me personally, I just don't like frosted things unless it's actual food. That's a different story. It's a different animal. Just having a little Perrier. You all know. Well, if you don't know now, you know. I love Perrier. So the first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize. I'm gonna use my Embryolisse moisturizer. Get a little moisture going. Next up, I'm going to be using my Farsali Unicorn Essence. Alright, so now that my face is nice and hydrated and primed, I'm going to use this Too Faced Hangover Primer. Ooh, it's infused with coconut water. Okay. So replenishing face primer. Let me just put it in my T-zone. So I just applied the Too Faced Born This Way Full Coverage Concealer. The shade is Butterscotch. It doesn't look like the shade that I intended to get. It's a lot lighter than it was online in my opinion, but we're going to work with it and see. It's very light. Definitely not what I want, but whatever. We're here, so we gotta deal with it. All right, so this is the final look. I have to say that I have no complaints about this foundation so far. I have had this on for probably about 3 hours now, and I have not one complaint. You can see my face still looks matte. I use my Huda Beauty setting powders, and I use my Lancome Tantidal Suede finishing powder. The dual finish powders from Lancome is what I use for my all over face powder, and I'm really loving what is happening here. Now, the concealer nearly ruined this entire look, but I wiped all of that off, redid the foundation, and this is what I'm left with. I am super satisfied with how the foundation looks on me. I love the coverage. I used 1 pump of foundation and that was good enough, but I decided to go with 2 pumps because I wanted a really full coverage look. And this is what I have. You can see that it definitely does match my chest. You guys saw it when I first put it on. You could see that it was like a really good match for my all over foundation color, you know, because I go by my chest, not my face. If you have not tried this foundation yet, you guys are doing yourself a disservice. Jackie, thank you for expanding this line. In Too Faced, I really want to emphasize that I only tried this foundation because of Jackie. I don't have any Too Faced products aside from that blush I was talking about earlier, which I don't know where it is. Jackie is who brought me to your website, brought me to your foundation, made me buy the concealer. I just want to emphasize the fact that we are here because of that woman, okay? I would not be trying this foundation if Jackie didn't say, I am working with Too Faced to expand this shade range. So big ups to Jackie for expanding this shade range. She developed 9 new shades, and the one that I'm wearing, Tiramisu, is perfect for me. I'm gonna keep giving you guys updates with this foundation. You know you can always tune into my Snapchat because that's where I give updates on products that I've tried in the past. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.